Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where you go over the solutions to contest math problems in under 3 minutes. Our next problem is from 2000 AMC 8, question number 24. If angle measure A is 20 degrees and AFG equals AGF, then angle B plus D is... So let's just write down our known information. We know that this is 20 degrees, and we know that AGF equals AFG, which means this is isosceles, which means that each of these angles here, so 180 minus 20 gives us 160, and each angle must be 80 degrees. Now we need to find angles B and angles D. Therefore, we can consider this as its own triangle. And we know that this angle here, because it's a regular straight angle, this part is 80 degrees, which means that this part must be 100 degrees. And known that, so angle B plus angle D plus 100 degrees must be equal to 180 because of a regular triangle. We know that angle B plus angle D must be equal to 80 degrees, which means that D is our answer.